Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to delete Heyday account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Heyday app, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you get the Heyday app? It is simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications, and once you do that, once you launch any of these applications, it's going to take you to the search bar. All right, so in the search bar, type Heyday and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. And after installing Heyday is going to take you right into the sign up page, where all you need to do is to follow through step-by-step instructions to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Heyday. So now we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, because I'm sorry that I'm calling it Heyday, but it's Heyday. Maybe it's short for Heyday. So let's hop into today's task, and that is how to delete your Heyday account. So let's say you're done playing Heyday and you're just exhausted and just want to delete your account permanently because you found a better game and Heyday is now a little boring to you, just for whatever reason or the other. This is how you can delete your account. From this homepage, so over here you have the enable diamond confirmation, choose your fan pop, and you have delete your account. So go ahead and click on delete account. So once you click on delete account, it takes you over here. Now you have this option that says request deletion of your personal data. It's possible to request deletion of all the information we have collected about your game account. Now, to fully comply with this request means the permanent closure and deletion of the game account. This includes all in-game currency and progress, whether paid for or not. Now, if you simply wish to start a new game, please see our guide for starting a new game. So go ahead and click on delete my data, and once you click on delete my data, your account will be deleted on Heyday. That's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.